Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Moonpay support. So if you are facing any kind of issues relating to the payments, verification or your account in general, this is the right way to reach out and get help from them. So first of all, you need to launch your Moonpay application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. So once you are inside your Moonpay application, the third option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen would be of support. So you can tap on the support option in order to get access the Moonpay support center. Once you are here, you are going to see a bunch of different support articles, like they are going to give you the buying roadmap, then they have the sell roadmap, then they have the swap relating options. So you can either take a look at these particular articles and you can just go through them and try to find the solution of your problem. If your issue didn't resolve with the help of this option, you can directly click on the option of start a conversation. Then a chatbot or the chat assistant will be opened in front of you. So over here you can either type the problem directly or you can start the chat with a hi. Then you can ask it any of the questions and try to get the assistance. Now if the chatbot is not able to resolve your issue, you can also click on the option of did this chat resolve issue, and after that you need to select this dislike option. Then a representative from the Moonpay customer support team will be assigned to you, so you can talk with a human and then you can get the resolution of your problems. So this way basically you can connect or contact with the help of the Moonpay customers center to the Moonpay customer support team. If this video helped you out, make sure that you don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below if you have any questions regarding it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.